Welcome to the channel. Today we will guide you through updating your password on the Remind app. Changing your password is important to keep your account secure. In this video, we will walk you through the process. First, open the Remind app on your device. Next, look at the top left corner and click on the three-line menu icon. Then look at the Settings icon and click on it. Inside the Settings menu, locate and select your account option. Then, scroll down until you see the Change Password option and tap on it. You will be prompted to enter your current password. Make sure you enter it correctly to proceed. After entering your current password, type your new password carefully. Then confirm your new password by typing it again to ensure accuracy. Finally, click on Save to update your password. Your account is now secured with the new password. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.